Hello honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Panda Po from Kung Fu Panda. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Nanny Julie and you won't miss my new cute drawing lessons. Now let's look at the picture. Strong dragon warrior. Tudish, tush, tush. You can cut it out and play. Look. Tush, tush, tush. Great! I like it very much. Our panda has a head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, body, arms, fingers, a belt, legs, and boots. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is a head. Let's draw his head up here in the top right of our paper. Circle for head. Great! Good start! Now it's time for big cute eyes. One circle for iris on the left side and a smaller one for a pupil. Great! One circle for iris on the right side and a smaller one for a pupil. We add one more small circle inside pupil to finish an eye. Here and here. It is a highlights. And let's color in these pupils, but leave these little circles white. Oh, great! Good job! Then, two ovals for a cute panda face. The first and the second. Great! Upside down U shape for ear. Here and here. Great! Triangle for a nose. And coloring inside. That's it, great! Big smile, U shape, one more, and a big U shape over here, a curve inside the mouth for tongue, and coloring inside over here. Our panda has a big hands. Oval here and a palm with fingers. Big curve. Follow me on the left side. Oh, you're doing great! And the little cute fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great! Our panda is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and take extra time. Then let's draw a line for his back. I start over here and go down. One for his chest and belly. Great! Two parallel lines for his belt. The first and the second, then connect them here and here. And some decoration inside. diagonal lines. Great! That's it. Now it's time for his legs. Diagonal line to the up and to the down. Two short lines on each side, here and here, and connect to these lines. Wow, your panda is good! And boots, here and here. Let's add some details. Two lines over here and over here. That's the way to go! You did it! Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my new cute drawing lessons. Now let's color in together. You can choose any color you like. I choose black for ears. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I color in arms on the left side and on the right side. Oh, I like your panda. It's so cute. Great! Keep it up! Don't give up. Keep on trying. Then I choose red for tongue, dark brown for belt and for shoes, try to stay inside the lines. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color, and light brown for pants. Wow! Your panda paw is so good! I want to see it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!